I've been able to raise over $4,000 through these prints in the last month and a half. It goes a long way, so check them out. I think we're almost sold out of them, honestly, but yeah, free Palestine. Blonde Redhead is also raising money for Palestine, one of their records, so check that out too. This is my last song. I'm Squirrel Flower. Thank you so much. Flushing out the garden in the house where I grew up. Spilling Michigan in your backyard, bubbles in the pond where you grew up. My love, my love, my love, my love, my love. If this is what it means to be alive, if this is what it means to be alive, if this is what it means to be alive, I won't grow up, grow up, grow up. Secrets down the city, drain, drain, drain. Spilling Lake Michigan, something bad, but that is not the way I wanna die. At 25. If this is what it means to be alive, if this is what it means to be alive, if this is what it means to be alive, I won't grow up, grow up, grow up. Water running down the driveway where you made a promise, swear you won't tell. If this is what it means to be alive, if this is what it means to be alive, if this is what it means to be alive, we won't grow up, grow up, grow up. My love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love. Thank you so much.
I'm Squirrel Flower. Blonde Redhead is next. Thank you.